All right, right now we are looking at the gangster new profile high lens LED high beam specific projector. Now this thing is sweet for a variety of reasons, and just to give you an overview as far as that goes, let's review this here. First of all, threaded shaft, super easy to install. We're going to be putting this in these BMW E46 M3 headlights and demoing that later, but very convenient to install. For the first time ever, a 9005 adapter plate as well as the standard H7 for alignment. Included a silicone crush washer and lock ring, integrated white demon eye for a daytime running light, and of course super powerful Cree XHP30 LEDs to produce plenty of useful light output in your high beam mode. These things are also designed with clips along the front bezel so that they could make use of all of the standard fit existing shrouds that we've got there for you guys. So we are super stoked for these. We've already pre-sold a ton of them, and we know that it's going to be one of 2018's hottest new products for all of the reasons I just named. So I've got my dude here, Val from Overlit Customs. We are going to give you a quick output demo on these things here in the beam pattern room, and then we will take apart this E46 headlight, do a quickie retrofit on them, and show you how they look all put together.